Welcome to my Origami Kharadee channel. In this video, you will learn how to create a stunning origami flower for wall hanging, a beautiful and artistic decoration made entirely from paper. This craft project combines the elegance of traditional Japanese origami with modern DIY creativity to produce a handmade flower that looks professional, colorful, and full of life. Origami is the ancient art of paper folding, and it allows us to turn plain sheets of paper into intricate designs without the use of cutting tools or complicated equipment. With just a few square sheets of colored paper, you'll be able to make detailed flower petals that fit together perfectly to form a full, symmetrical bloom. We begin by carefully selecting our materials. You can choose from a variety of paper types, such as origami paper, colored craft paper, or even recycled paper, depending on the look you want. I will show you how to fold each piece step by step, starting from a simple square and turning it into a graceful petal using easy-to-follow folding techniques. You don't need any special skills to begin. Even if this is your first origami project, you'll be able to follow along thanks to the clear instructions and demonstration. Each petal is folded in a way that gives it depth and shape, and when all the petals are joined together, they form a complete 3D flower that is both strong and elegant. Once all the petals are ready, we move on to assembling the flower. You'll learn how to arrange them evenly in a circular pattern to create perfect symmetry, and how to glue them securely so the flower holds its shape over time. After the flower is formed, we add finishing touches to make it stand out. This may include a decorative center made from glitter paper, a shiny button, a bead, or even a rolled paper coil. Then, using thick chart paper or cardboard, we'll create a backing for the flower to give it support and durability, especially important for wall decor. After finishing the main flower, I'll guide you through attaching a thread, ribbon, or string on the back so you can hang it on your wall easily. You can hang a single flower or create multiple in different sizes and colors to make a full wall display or floral arrangement. These origami flowers are a perfect way to decorate your home, office, classroom, or event spaces. They're especially useful during festive seasons, birthday parties, weddings, or even cultural programs where you want eye-catching and eco-friendly decorations that don't cost much. This project is suitable for people of all ages. Kids, teens, adults, and even seniors can enjoy it. It's a fun, mindful, and creative way to spend time, reduce screen use, and bring your ideas to life through paper. Not only will you improve your focus, patience, and folding skills, but you'll also feel proud of creating something beautiful with your own hands. Origami flower wall hangings are reusable, long-lasting, and fully customizable, which makes them much better than store-bought decorations that can be expensive and wasteful. Whether you're making this for your own room, as a gift, or to decorate for an event, this tutorial will help you learn everything you need to know from start to finish. So grab your paper and let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my Origami Kharadee channel if you enjoy crafting and want more easy, creative paper art ideas. Your support helps me grow and inspires me to keep sharing beautiful DIY projects with you. Thanks for watching.